Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning, recipes, a little bit of everything. Saturday morning, we've got a strong south wind again, still having this very odd weather. It's 56 degrees here. We are expecting some rain, which we desperately need. We've had bouts of it in the last couple of weeks, but nothing like we got last year. The garden is further behind this year than it was last year. Last year we were already starting to see a large growth in the whole garden actually. So I'm going to get in here before the rain comes in. I'm going to try to do some weeding, and I'm going to take you around and show you. We have a mixed bag of tricks on what's surviving and what's thriving. So let's get started on our day. Let's start with my turnips this morning. You can see I've got some purple tops coming up. Those are probably going to be ready to harvest in the next couple of days. After the rain we get today, I think that they'll really take off. The greens have done terrific, as you all know, because they do like the cooler weather. And we are unseasonably cool for this time of year. So let's go check out some more things. My beets are looking really good. My lettuces are looking really good, and I'm kind of glad because I don't know if you guys heard on the news, but there's an E. coli breakout with a lot of the romaines right now, so I'll just be eating my own. Thank you very much. That is one of the benefits of gardening and growing your own food. Carrots look like they're doing really great. I'm just glad to have what I have coming up because I have had a rough time growing carrots. I'm not very good at that, but I'm glad to see something coming up. My spinach is looking really good. I'll be eating some of that this week as well. And here's my cabbage. I'm eager to see when this really starts taking off. The leaves look really good, but I'm not seeing any other growth. It may be too late in the year, but hey, I got my fingers crossed. Broccoli seems to be doing good. Eager to see what these do. And here are my Brussels sprouts. I'm hoping to see these come up as well too. And since we have a much cooler year, I really do expect to see some. Now to my green beans, where I've been struggling with. Look, it looks like they're starting to rebound. This has made me feel quite a bit better this week, and after the rain that we get today, we'll see a big difference by next weekend. But you can see they're doing pretty good. I did replant some seeds last week. I'm not seeing them come up yet. But after the rain today, I do think that we'll see them start coming up next week. So I'm really pleased with how the green beans are starting to rebound back. Squash and zucchini seems to be doing good. They really have been strong thrivers regardless of what's been going on with the weather. So I'm glad to see these are continuing to thrive. These are my watermelons. I think that they're going to be okay as well. These are the cantaloupes. These are those French petite that I grow every year that I harvest the seeds. I think that they're going to be okay as well, especially after the rain today. But you can still see there's a little bit of damage on them. Now we're moving into the cucumbers. This mound has been okay. I'm still watching it. I think I did replant some last week. And look, here's some still coming up, still doing okay. I got to get in here and do some weeding, get that nut grass out of here. But look, here's some seeds I planted last week and they're coming up. So I'm thankful about that. I think I'm going to try to put some more in. Again, I think we're going to have a much cooler year this year. So replanting is probably going to be just fine for me. At least I hope so. There's some more seeds coming up that I planted last week, but you can see just some of them just flat didn't make it. There's some more seeds coming up. There's some more seeds coming up. Thank goodness. Corn seems to be okay. I'm real excited about about the corn this year because I've not really grown it very much. I tried one year and it cross-pollinated with the crops out here, so I'm hoping to have a different year. And here are my peppers in the raised bed, and the wind has just beat them to death. I'm not sure how these are going to turn out. This is going to be a struggle, I think, this year. We're going to keep on trying. I may need to replant some of these as well. Here are my mammoth sunflowers. They're doing pretty good. I'm hoping that the wind dies down about the time that they get 2 or 3 feet tall, or they'll take a blow as well. Let's go look at my tomatoes or tomatillos. They are struggling. This tomato bush don't look so good, but we're hoping it'll pull out. This one's doing okay. They're a little bit curled. I think they need that rain coming in today. I'm going to get in there and trim these yellow leaves off. And here's the permaculture. Let's take a walk through. Again, you can see things are taking a beating. They're cold. These are my butternut squashes. Hoping that they'll pull out. Strawberries, they're just struggling. I don't know what's going to happen with them. We'll see what we can do. And my zucchini and squash have finally started to come up, my touchy base. Everything has just been such a struggle this year with these strange weather patterns. Here's the peach tree. We got some peaches on it. We had to stake it up because it got a little too top heavy, and with the wind that we're having, it's just it was going every which way. And here's our pear tree. It's struggling as well. I'm not sure what's going on with it. I'll have to do some reading on it and find out, but I think it's still going to be okay. Here's my pomegranate tree. You can see it's starting to bud out. So I've been watching it this week. Again, the wind is not good on the pomegranate tree. It'll blow the buds off once they get ready to set their fruit. So we're going to have to watch this, but hey, it's still thriving, and that's all I can ask for. And this is our big pear tree that we've had probably about 6 or 7 years. I'm already starting to see some pears up there. I don't know if you can see them, but I can. They'll be okay for now. They're still too little for the wind to really affect them, but once they get a little bit bigger, that wind will catch them if we continue to have a windy year. And our plum trees seem to be doing okay. They're weathering the wind and they're weathering the cold. You can see I got 2 of them here. My goodness, I wish this wind would stop for just one weekend so I can get out there and just work and work and work without feeling like I'm blown away. And there's the storm starting to move in. I still don't expect we'll see anything till later on this afternoon, so I got a couple of hours to get out there and work. Let's get started. Okay, I've got it all weeded. Looks like I finished in the nick of time. It's starting to rain now, but I feel much better knowing that I got control of some of the weeds in there. I think it's looking pretty good. I'm praying that we get an inch or 2 of rain. That would really, really be beneficial. So anyway, thank you all for watching. Thank you again for your prayers. We appreciate our community. We love you all, and we ask that you continue to pray for our garden as we pray for yours. And you guys have a great weekend. Take care. God bless, and see you in a couple of days.